Hey guys, so today we're going to do a ballpoint pen challenge. So this challenge, you only use a pen to draw pretty much whatever you like, but because you can only use a pen, there's no erasing involved. And I think this challenge is really good for sketchbook drawing, and it's one of my ways I like to challenge myself in my sketchbooks is by only using a pen, because it makes you in the end be more careful about where you're placing your lines, and you have to be careful not to make any mistakes. And I feel like then when you do go to other mediums or like just using pencil, you make fewer mistakes. So here I decided that I was gonna draw a puppy because they're adorable, but also with this challenge I decided to not be very stringent on the rules, so when I'm done with the ballpoint part of the illustration, then I'm going to add a few other elements in just to make it pop and stand out a little more. But I welcome you guys to join in with me in this challenge and challenge yourself to see what you can do in only just a pen. I think it's difficult, but once you get into it, it's a lot of fun, and it gets easier as you go and the more you practice. And I mean, that's what part of art's all about, is just practicing to get better and better. And so here is where I'm starting to use other pens to add other details and add other little bits and bobbles that'll make it pop and stand out. And so I'm just using, it's all ink based, so no erasing involved, but I just thought it would be fun to add a few more colors and elements to the piece. And then in addition to this more realistic illustration of a dog, I decided to see what I could do with my own style. So here I'm just sketching out a character that I thought up of and just on the fly started to go with to see what I could do without erasing. If you guys can think of any other challenges you think I should do coming up soon in a couple of weeks, just let me know in the comment box below. I'd really appreciate your guys' thoughts. But this has probably been one of my favorite challenges I've ever done to push myself, because I don't know, I love pens. They're so great, and just ink as a form of art. I'm so excited for Inktober to come up and to get into that, and I hope you guys will be with me for that too. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Just watch to the end to see the final results. And so that was it, guys. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe and let me know your thoughts about this video in the comments below. Thank you. See you next time.